You had the choice, not being able to wear heels or getting your favorite food delivered to you anytime, any day, wherever you are in the world.
So one of the things that I also want to share here is that I love to eat ice cream. It's one of my comfort foods. So behind the stage, whenever I get to eat ice cream while wearing my heels, it's both things that I actually like to share with you guys. So it's both win for me.
Seeing how you walked earlier, I got the visual. The ice cream and the heels, that's the secret. Thank you so much. You are beautiful and confident. How would you use these qualities to empower others?
As a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has a standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the values that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now as a transformational woman. I have here 52 other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman that I am.